So this is just a random video. I'm just making a random video about this because I just decided to fix it today and actually went pretty well, luckily. So I would have recorded parts of it fixing and stuff, but I didn't bother because I felt like it wouldn't go well and I just would have gave up, but it actually went well. But anyways, so what was wrong with this? Well, first, it has been broken for like 2 years. It always was on the wall, and one day it fell off the wall and the mouth broke. There's like the piece that holds the jaw in, and then there's like two brackets, I guess, on each side that hold the part inside of it in, and the piece, I think it's this side, and the piece on that side broke, so I had to re-glue it. And it seemed like ever since then the mouth was like loose and stuff. It didn't work right. I think it was when I went in to glue it and stuff, when I was done, the wires on the button came off, and I tried to solder it, and it was annoying, so I just gave up and then didn't mess with it for a while, and then tried it again one day, and then the wire came off the circuit board for the mouth movement, so I just got annoyed and gave up again. And then today I just decided to try to fix it, and actually went well. I think the time before I went to fix this, I did get the wire soldered on the button, but the wires were backwards on the button because they didn't work. They wouldn't work. The button would not work. So I had to redo that, but the button works now. I resoldered the wire on the circuit board, that works now. And I literally just hot glued all the wires on the circuit board so they wouldn't come off. I also adjusted the spring so the mouth worked a lot better, and I finally figured out why the mouth was so loose is because these screws right here were loose. So I tightened both of those, and it's not loose at all anymore. It used to just drop open like this much, and now it doesn't move open at all. So it works really good. I'll show it now. Yeah, the mouth is kind of violent. Another thing, it always worked like this. Like the mouth would always close all the way and open like that before it broke, and I thought after it broke it would never work like that again, but it does now finally. Still has the zip ties from when it was on the, wasn't really a box, it was kind of just like a piece of cardboard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna make videos of stuff in the next few days because I got a few fish that should be here in the next week. So until then, that's that.